Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So it's now New Year's Day and I've just been to Asda for some bits, so I thought I would show you my mini haul. So I've got some extra juicy oranges and some pink lady apples, some conference pears and some mushrooms. I've then got 10 of the Muller Light yogurts and they're on offer at the moment, 10 for £3. And I've got a couple of new flavours to try there. So we've got kiwi and pineapple and a coconut one. The banana and custard are my favourite anyway, and then the strawberry ones are for my partner. I've got some vine tomatoes, some Weight Watchers wraps, and they are one for a healthy extra B or 5.5 cents each. I've then got some Metcalf skinny popcorn, and for a 17-gram bag it's 3.5 cents and definitely well worth it. I've then got some of the Bob milk, and for a healthy extra A you can have 300 mils or it's 6 cents for 300 mils. I've then got some chicken mini fillets for fajitas. I've got some bacon medallions and some flumps, and the flumps are 2 cents each. I've then got some wholemeal rolls, and I've just checked the app and they're actually 8.5 cents. I've then got some tasty wholemeal bread, and that was down to 5p, so I'm just going to put that into the freezer. And as far as I remember on that one, it's 2 cents for a healthy extra B, but do double check. I've then got some of the Arla Skier yogurt, and that was down to, I think it was 5p. And I checked in Asda on the app and it says it's free. I've then got some dry cured ham, some melon, which I'm going to have in a moment, some Hellman's fat-free vinaigrette. Now I've checked the app for that and I can't find it, so if anyone knows the sins for it, please let me know. I've then got 12 eggs, and I have got some Bachelor's super rice in spicy Mexican flavour. And what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to do a Nando's takeaway this week, and we're going to use that as spicy rice. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye.